Hi guys, welcome to my channel. For today's video, it's gonna be all about the base. My go-to base tutorial. Let's get into it. For prepping and priming my skin, the first thing we're gonna do is apply some foundation. This foundation has been my go-to for years for myself and my clients. This is the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. It has a buildable to full coverage. It looks like skin. It just wears beautifully. Concealer, I use the e.l.f. 16-hour Camo Concealer. I love this. I mix it. So I use a lighter shade, as I'm showing you right now, and then I mix it in with a shade that's at least 2 shades lighter than my complexion, just to create that perfect, I feel like, color that I need under the eye. Not too bright, not too dark, just a perfect amount of like brightness. To add some warmth to the face, I use the e.l.f. Putty Bronzer. I love this. This is a cream bronzer. So not only is it affordable, but it works beautifully. It blends very nicely. So if you're starting out with cream products, I'd say give that one a try. So when applying cream products to the face, after you have already applied your foundation, your concealers, try tapping it in the way I'm doing here, because this won't disturb the products that are already on your face and it'll give you like an airbrush finish. To set the under eye and give the face a little bit of sharpness, I'm going to use the Mercier translucent loose setting powder. This is a cult favorite. If you know, you know. This is wonderful. I'm just removing that powder and adding a little bit of coverage with the One Size powder foundation that I swear by. So to set the under eye after the baking, I like to go in with the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish powder. This is just going to add the perfect coverage and just make everything look very, very airbrushed and ready. By the way, if you like this eye, let me know and I'll put up a tutorial for it. I really like this eye. This is kind of like a cut crease, so if you're into that, then let me know and I'll upload it for you guys. So off camera, I did some bronzing and applied blush with products that I'm still trying to see if I really like them before I recommend them. Went ahead and set my face with setting spray, and here I'm applying a little bit of highlighter from my Dior Glow Palette. This is my go-to for myself, my clients, everybody. I love it. This is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed putting it out for you. And thank you for being here. Thank you for watching. Thank you for staying tuned. Thank you for commenting and just showing up for me. I appreciate it so much.